Ya Allah, Ya Allah, Ya Allah.
In what is being described as a major flare-up of violence in Syria's last opposition stronghold, at least a dozen people have been killed and more than a dozen injured after Russian fighter jets bombed a city in Syria's rebel-controlled northwestern Idlib province. The airstrike took place in Idlib's Jisr al-Shaghur city, which damaged a fruit and vegetable market as well. The strike comes a day after Moscow's top mercenary group briefly revolted against Russian President Vladimir Putin. The Western-backed White Helmets Emergency Service on Sunday said that warplanes flying at high altitudes dropped bombs on the vegetable market, which was crowded ahead of the Eid festival, which has left at least 9 dead and 30 others injured. According to the White Helmets Group, this was the second day of airstrikes in the area ahead of Eid al-Adha in the Muslim-majority country. The past 4 days have also seen artillery fire, the civil defense added. Meanwhile, a report revealed that the warplanes were Russia's Sukhoi jets. Farmers rushed the wounded to the hospital in bloodied vegetable trucks, while activists shared urgent calls for blood donations. The attack on Jisr al-Shaghur on Sunday is the deadliest to have occurred in northwest Syria so far in 2023. Northwestern Syria is mostly held by the militant group Hayat Tahrir al-Sham as well as Turkish-backed forces. The Syrian pro-government newspaper Al-Watan said that the airstrike targeted militants and a weapons depot. The report stated that Russian military flights over the country have shown marked aggression in the past few months. In April, Russian pilots attempted to dogfight US jets over Syria, the US said. In military aviation, dogfighting is engaging in naval combat, often at relatively close ranges. Earlier this month, the US deployed F-22 fighter jets to the Middle East over concerns about unsafe and unprofessional behavior by Russian aircraft.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.